personal reasons. I got my reasons. I'm backing up my feelings. You, no more wasting my time with you. I wish that I could rewind back to the days I can't get back to the moments that we had. Now I'm left chasing myself. Honestly, don't believe fairy tale endings. Giving you all of me, can't seem to get back. Possibly you and me never supposed to be a thing. Costing me all of me, can't seem to get back. Girl, you used to let us back. It's time to relax. Time to realize it's just a temporary feeling. Do the healing. Oh yeah. Back to the days I can't get back to the moment